how to recover your VK account. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So first, open up the VK application on your mobile device and now enter your phone number or your email that is associated with your account. But make sure to enter your country code while entering your phone number and tap on sign in. Then you'll be asked to enter the code from the pictures, so make sure to copy the exact code and tap on continue. Now, since you don't know your password, tap on forgot your password just under the password box. To restore your account, you'll be prompted to enter your email or your phone number that is associated with your account. So go ahead and enter your phone or your email and tap on continue. Now, once you've done that, you'll receive a call from a unique number and you'll be asked to enter the last 4 digits of the number that called. So go ahead and enter the number and tap on continue. Once you've done this, you can now reset your password. So enter your new password in the new password field, enter your new password once again to confirm and tap on continue or done, and your account will be recovered. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.